All.
So today's MCQ is a 55-year-old female is found to have carcinoma cervix stage 3B. The best management in this case would be, will it be concurrent chemoradiation? Will it be intracavitary brachytherapy followed by external beam irradiation? Will it be radical hysterectomy followed by chemotherapy? Will it be radical hysterectomy followed by chemoradiation?
Now here the catch point is that she is a 55-year-old lady with the advanced carcinoma cervix, advanced stage of carcinoma cervix. Now first of all, see, the stage is 3B and we all know that about 2A there is no role of surgery. So option C and D वैसे ही out हो गए, right? Palliative surgery is required in very advanced cases sometimes. Okay. Now remaining options are concurrent chemoradiation. So it is the answer for this patient, because when we give chemotherapy, it sensitizes the cell to the radiations. So here the answer is A.
So ma'am, why not it can be intracavitary brachytherapy followed by external beam irradiation?
Now see Purva, here what is given? Brachytherapy followed by external beam irradiation. And when we give chemoradiation also, in that case also first we give external beam irradiation. Then we give the intracavitary brachytherapy.
Okay.
So this answer is also wrong, and here the preferred choice is, or preferred answer is also concurrent chemoradiation. So in advanced stages,
Concurrent chemoradiation is the best option. Thank you.